The Congo Crisis of 1960–1965 stands as a tumultuous chapter in African history, reflecting the complex interplay of decolonization, Cold War rivalries, and internal power struggles. This video serves as a documentary-style exploration of the Congo Crisis, unraveling the multifaceted dynamics that shaped the destiny of the newly independent nation and drew global powers into an African struggle for control. Part 1. Winds of Change in Africa. The narrative begins by contextualizing the Congo Crisis within the broader context of Africa's quest for independence. The winds of change were sweeping across the continent as former European colonies sought self-determination and liberation from colonial rule. The Congo, a vast and resource-rich territory, emerged as a focal point for these aspirations. Part 2. Independence and Lumumba's Ascent. As the video unfolds, it delves into the declaration of independence by the Congo, formerly the Belgian Congo, in 1960. Patrice Lumumba, a charismatic and passionate leader, became the prime minister of the newly independent nation. Lumumba's vision for a united and sovereign Congo clashed with both internal and external forces. Part 3. Cold War Intricacies. The documentary-style narrative sheds light on the Cold War intricacies that entangled the Congo. The United States and the Soviet Union saw the newly independent African nations as potential allies in the ideological struggle. The Congo became a battleground where Cold War rivalries played out, with both superpowers vying for influence. Part 4. Secession of Katanga and External Interference. The video reflects on the secession of Katanga, a resource-rich province led by Moise Tshom. The secession was not only fueled by ethnic tensions, but also received support from external actors, including Belgium and certain Western interests. This external interference exacerbated internal conflicts, plunging the Congo into a state of chaos. Part 5. Lumumba's Downfall and Assassination. As the narrative vividly recounts, Lumumba's vision for a unified Congo faced severe challenges. Internal political rivalries, secessionist movements, and external pressures led to Lumumba's removal from power. Tragically, Lumumba was later arrested, subjected to mistreatment, and ultimately assassinated, leaving an indelible mark on the Congo's political landscape. Part 6. United Nations Intervention. The documentary explores the United Nations intervention in the Congo Crisis. An peacekeeping mission was deployed to restore order and support the central government. However, the mission faced numerous challenges, including resistance from secessionist forces and the complexity of navigating Cold War tensions within the UN. Part 7. Mobutu's Rise to Power. The video reflects on the rise of Joseph Mobutu, who emerged as a powerful figure amid the chaos. Mobutu, initially a military officer, seized control of the government, leading to a prolonged period of authoritarian rule. His regime, marked by corruption and repression, endured for decades. Part 8. Legacy and Contemporary Implications. The documentary-style narrative concludes by examining the legacy of the Congo Crisis and its contemporary implications. The scars of the crisis, including political instability, resource exploitation, and ongoing conflicts, continue to shape the Congo's trajectory. The events of 1960–1965 left an enduring impact on the African continent, underscoring the challenges of post-colonial nation building. Conclusion. The Congo Crisis, a complex web of decolonization, Cold War rivalries, and internal strife, remains a poignant episode in Africa's journey to independence. As explored in this documentary-style narrative, the events surrounding the Congo's struggle for sovereignty and stability underscore the intricate dynamics that shaped the post-colonial era and left an indelible mark on the geopolitics of the African continent.